Hey, welcome back, guys. We are still here in Pigeon Forge, man, and I'm still making some awesome content, guys. There's so much content and so many awesome vehicles out here. So right now, we're gonna go ahead and do. It's supposed to be. This is an all original Plymouth, guys. It's supposed to have original paint, the original interior, original top on it. It has a, I think it has a leather top, guys, and also the original motor. So we're gonna go ahead and do a quick review, walk around, and then we're gonna go ahead and walk around the convention center, guys. It's actually pretty nice in here right now because there's not a lot of people here. So we'll be able to get a lot of good footage of some really nice cars, guys, and we can take our time when we're doing it. So, hey, let's go ahead and let the camera do the speaking, and I'm gonna let you guys watch this beautiful vehicle. That's the GTX Plymouth Survivor. How y'all doing? So this is a 1970, man. And it's supposed to be like a one owner for 50 years. I'm gonna let you guys see this here. It says it's a 1970 Plymouth GTX, guys, Survivor, man. Look at that there. That's cool. Chrysler Corporation.
That's the demonstration tape that came with the car to demo the tape system.
Oh, is this your vehicle?
Yeah.
Oh man, okay. Hey, we got the owner here, guys. That's cool. That's his little tape. Now say that again. You said that came with what now?
This comes from Chrysler when you order the built-in tape system and the radio. This comes from Chrysler with a lot of separation in the music, makes your speakers sound real good.
Oh man.
Front to back.
So whenever
that's the original tape.
Now you're not the original owner.
I am the original owner. I ordered the car brand new.
Oh my goodness, man! This is, I mean, this is like just a privilege to get that. I mean, how many people have their, cars brought it original in this condition is prestige, like it just came off the shop floor, man.
Pretty close.
How many miles you got on this thing?
50,200 and something.
And it's looking this good?
Yeah.
Wow.
This car has never sat outside. It's always been garage.
Now, what's your name, sir?
David James.
David James, guys. I tell you what, we all got to hand it to him, because if we all was like David, we would have some immaculate vehicles. And I tell you what, actually, we'll all be driving these type of vehicles. No, none of this new stuff, you know? Hey, James, if you don't mind, I'm going to take a quick tour around here, man.
Come around here and we'll look inside.
Hey, so hey, we got the owner here so he can tell us everything about this, man. It's hard to, this is our original. It's just, I mean, I know I'm going to keep saying that, but it's just so hard to believe.
This is factory paint on the door.
Well, I do see
not been repainted.
Right, I see a little bit of orange peel. That makes it look, yeah, I mean, I can see that, yeah.
The original spare tire is in the trunk. It's never been on the ground.
Man, this whole vehicle, guys, is original. You guys just don't understand. I mean, the door panel's never been touched up or anything, huh?
No.
Man, I tell you what, he has kept this car immaculate, guys.
I drove to church on Sundays. Date night. And date night. Bed seat.
Look at this here, guys. Wow. He said, driving to church on Sundays and date night with the wife. She's clean, man. They got that loop carpet in there, just like I show you guys.
I've our national several times to keep the stickers on the windshield. I don't know how many pictures have been taken of this door jam, paint runs.
Man, I tell you, this is awesome, man.
Lay down on their back and slide back under the steering wheel and take pictures of their back.
Well, I tell you what, that's awesome, man. Look at the door, even the door jams, guys, look good. Look at, he got the original top on this thing here, guys. All up there is original. See the tires on his tire, everything original, man. Nice paint job. He even got the original spare tire, he said, back here. How you doing, sir? You need to go get yours, buddy. You need to go get yours.
Mine might work outside, but it wouldn't work in there.
I'm trying to tell him it would. Y'all know it would. He's just being modest. Man, I headed back. I was bringing my panel truck down and I broke down. My brakes. I didn't have my brakes on tight enough. They fell off on me. The back one fell off and I was just having problems with the brakes, but I made it back home. And it's fixed already though, but I was so upset. Right, man. Check this one here out. Look at this motor here, guys.
When you get out, you gotta push the tail.
440. All right. Excuse me, sir. I'm happy to put it on there, that's for sure.
Well, thank you very much.
I appreciate you, man.
Thank you.
This is a beautiful vehicle.
Thank you. Thank you.
Don't do nothing to it. No, don't let no. I know we won't, but
If you get to see it 10 years from now and I still got it, it'll still look like that right
that's
there
what
as far
I'm
as
talking
I'm
about.
concerned.
Heck yeah, it's the best one in here, that's for sure.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. Hey, that was a treat there, man. Just got through talking to David. He let us look at it, and he told us a lot about that vehicle. It's not every day you get to see an original, GTX, never been touched. You know, Larry came over and told me that it's a GTX over there that's never been molested or touched. And I said, come on, man, at least the paint job. Somebody had to at least to do the paint job over and stuff. And he said, nope, that's all original. So, hey, there you go. That's another nice car we just saw, guys. And we actually got to meet the owner. You know, what a treat for that. So I'm gonna let you guys go on that note. Hey, and stick around, guys. We got a lot more content coming your way. So make sure you guys check out the other videos. And if you haven't, go back, check out the videos, guys. Because, hey, they're live and direct, man. And we're having a blast out here. So if you have not already entered for the drawing, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my Instagram account. And go ahead and click on subscribe to this channel here. And that way you can be entered in a live drawing we're gonna have on Instagram, guys. So go ahead and make sure you do those things. And like I tell everybody, man, if you got a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.